Taming UPSC. In this Species Always in News series, I will be covering all the species which are always in news. So the first species that I will be covering is Indian crocodile species. So there are three types of Indian crocodile that are Gharials, Magar Indian crocodile or saltwater crocodile. So the most important and the critically endangered species of crocodile is Gharials. So this Gharial is in news recently due to the increase in the number of the species in Katana Ghat wildlife sanctuaries, which is in UP near the Gharial river. So let's know a little bit about Gharial. So these are endemic to South Asia, and these are the reptiles which are most efficient fish catcher due to its unique snout, and they are the top predators and keystone species in the running freshwater systems. And they so basically as we are aware that these are critically endangered and they were endemic to South Asia. So in the 1940s they were in a great number and are found all around the South Asia region, particularly naming like India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. But in next 40 year or next 30 year, the population of Gharial drastically decreased by 96%, and they become extinct in some regions like Indus River, Irrawaddy River of Myanmar, and Brahmaputra River which flows in Bangladesh. So Indian government started crocodile conservation project in 1975, which included three crocodilian species. The first one is freshwater crocodile, the second one is Gharial, and the third one is saltwater crocodile. So let us know a little bit about the other two species like freshwater crocodile and the saltwater crocodile. So freshwater crocodile, they are having vulnerable according to IUCN, and have other like sites and WPA sites keep it in appendix 1, and according to the Wildlife Protection Act of India it is placed in schedule 1. And the second one is saltwater crocodile. So saltwater crocodile, they are least concerned, and according to sites they are in appendix 1, and they are placed in schedule 1 of the WPA. So let us know a little bit about where they are found. So freshwater crocodile, they are found basically in lakes, rivers, marshes, reservoirs and slow moving shallow water bodies, and they are found throughout India, and they are extinct in Bhutan. So basically we will also know that what are the threats. So the threat that these freshwater crocodile are facing is the habitat destruction because of the conversion of natural habitat for agriculture and industrial use. They are also sacrificed in superstitious practices or used as aphrodisiacs. So basically what are they are used as aphrodisiacs. So what is this aphrodisiac? So they are any food or drug which are used to arouse sexual instinct. So that's why they are of vulnerable concern. And the second one is that we will be covering not broadly, is the saltwater crocodile. So saltwater crocodile are least concerned and is the largest living reptile and crocodilian known to science. And they are, as the name suggests, they are the salt water. They are found in salt water and brackish wetland. And if we consider about distribution, so basically they are found in east coast. So they are found in east coast, as the names as we are seeing. So in east coast they are particularly found in Bhitarkanika wildlife sanctuary, which is in Odisha. They are also found in Sundarban and Andaman and Nicobar. And threat is they are hunted for its skin, illegal killing and habitat loss is also there. So, and as we are aware that Gharial is the critically endangered sites in WPA is in schedule 1 and appendix 1, And let's a little bit about more about the conservation wildlife. So there are 5 wildlife sanctuaries have been designated for the crocodile conservation, namely the National Jambal Sanctuary, which is spread across UP, MP, and Rajasthan. The second was Satkosia Gorge, which is wildlife sanctuary, which is in Odisha, and Son Gharial Sanctuary, which is in MP. Again in MP, there is another Kane Gharial Sanctuary. So basically, Son and Kane are both are situated on Son and Kane River. Uh, respectively, and the fifth one is Katarnia Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary. So this is a wildlife sanctuary which is, as I have already told, this is situated in at Girwa River in UP's Bahraich district. So what is the current status of Gharial? As I have already told you that these were endemic to South Asia, but now they only survive in waters of India and Nepal. And in India also they are limited to the tributaries of Ganga, like Girwa River, on which the Katarnia Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary is present, in again in Son, on which the Son Gharial Sanctuary is present, and again in Ramganga in Uttarakhand, Mahanadi in Odisha, and Gandak, that is in Bihar, and Chambal, which is spread across UP, MP, and Rajasthan. So let's know a little bit about Katarnia Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary, because they are in news for their efforts in conservation of Gharial. So they are basically present. They are this sanctuary is present in Bahraich district, and this sanctuary is full of silent teak tree and also wetlands. And in addition with the Gharials, you can also see here, or you will, if you visit this wildlife sanctuary, then you will be able to see Gangetic dolphin and saltwater crocodile. So this was about Gharials and where they are found, and the Katarnia Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary. So basically UPSC question setter, as you have seen in the recently held UPSC 2023 prelims, that ignorance is not bliss. So you must keep in mind. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.